This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Shell's Early Learning Center.
I know, it is hard to believe that we are already talking back to school because it still feels like we're in the middle of summer, and we are, but school is right around the corner. And if you want to give your kids the head start that they deserve, you want to make sure you're checking out Shell's Early Learning Center. That's where we are today at the Milton office with Angela Malabet, Executive Director of Shell's Early Learning Center. And Angela, I know for you, summer's been over.
No, I don't even think we got a summer. Let's just start there. I don't think summer ever even started for us. So yes, summer's over.
But part of that is a testament to how much you guys care about Shell's Early Learning Center, what you guys put into the care here for the little ones that are coming in and out of the building, whether it's for the really, really little guys or the ones that are getting ready to start kindergarten. You know, you guys are always busy taking care of the kids. And I know you guys just had an open house this past weekend.
Yes.
So for parents who are looking to get back into the swing of things, they're looking for a place for their kids to attend school, you do have more open house opportunities. First, tell us how this one just went and where people can go check you guys out in the upcoming weeks.
Of course. So this past open house we had was amazing. Typically how our August open houses go is we like to do a back to school drive. That's our way of giving back to the community. So all of our open houses are always going to be open to the community. And we do giving back, supplies, pencils, pencil bags, markers, crowns, folders, composition books, backpacks. We do the whole shebang for the family. So that way, it gets a little expensive. Even when I went and did the school supply shopping, I was just sitting there like, this is okay. Like, I remember when we could go get our school supplies and it wasn't that expensive. So I can only think about how hard it might be for the families that have 3 children, 4 children, 5 children. And I do have families here that have that many kids. So it was a great open house. We were able to give out at least 25, backpacks and supplies and things like that. We do have 3 more, so we're looking at giving out over 100 back to school supplies at all of our open houses combined. Raffled off, a lucky winner got a free iPad, so that was amazing. So even if you missed out on that, we do have more open houses where you can enter to the raffles. You can go on our Facebook pages where you can actually figure out when they are, our events and stuff like that. But the open house was spectacular. The food, the music, the community. We had different local vendors come out and really, partake in this amazing opportunity with giving back to the community. So the open house was great. It was emotional. It was fun. We danced, we laughed, we jumped, we did everything you could possibly think of, as well as just, enjoyed and gave back to our community, because that's always the biggest thing for us, is giving back to the community that helped us and put us in this space we're in today.
At Shell's Early Learning Center, the kids aren't the only ones who learn and grow. The staff learns and grows right alongside them.
Working as a team and having somebody to bounce different things off of, different personalities, even on good days or bad days, you still work together for the children and for the business. But dealing with different personalities has definitely opened me up to a lot of different experiences.
Everybody's walking a different walk of life, so you just never know what's going on in their home, you know what I mean? So it builds character, just patience within itself.
So I actually started out as a manager at a convenience store I was working the night shift, and I took a leap of faith and I decided to start over and do something that I really love. And basically working in childcare, really, it is an honor because you get to, teach, but you also get to teach and mold the children in love. And it just gets no better than that.
If you want to be a part of the Shell's Early Learning family, they're hiring.
I'm hiring everything, even people that have no experience. Come on in. Say, if you're interested in working with children, we will definitely will. We have this fall we're getting our Shell's University up and going, so that we can start helping people get their education, and not feel as though it's a burden to their pocket. So if you have no experience, but kids is where your heart is, definitely come to Shell's. Definitely, reach out to us. And that's all 4 locations: Milton, Harrington, Dover, and Camden. We're hiring everywhere. As long as you have the will and the admiration to work with these children and help them grow, Shell's is going to be the place for you, because our whole mindset is not only feeding education to the children, but I also want to give it to my staff at Shell's as well too.
I love that. So for parents who are hearing all of this, they know that this is a great place and this is where they want their kids to be, and they're ready for enrollment. what do those enrollment opportunities look like?
So this fall, we have our normal fall specials going on with discounted childcare. So if you're looking to get enrolled, all you have to do is call us. It's baby booming season right now, so I would say our infants are out to a May wait list, but as far as 1-year-olds and up, we have openings. We also give out discounts to our first responders, our teachers, anybody working in the medical field. If you know it's about that time because your little one's gonna go to school next year, I know you don't want to think about it, but you have to, so pre-K program is spectacular. So enrollment, you can find us at www.shellschildcare.com. You can fill out the inquiry and it'll go to the proper location, or you can reach out to us on Facebook. We're always monitoring our messages on Facebook, so we can reach out to you there as well. Or if you want, you can just give me a call here at the center at 302-684-3201, or you can give us a call at our corporate office, 302-329-9258, and we will definitely make sure, whether it's employment or enrollment, that you get taken care of.
Perfect. Well, Angela, I know we threw a lot at you guys, and I know that you can feel the warmth and love and care coming from Angela and her team through your screen. And if you've got any more questions, hit up Angela, hit up the team. They've got you covered. They've got you taken care of. And make sure you hop in to attend one of those open houses that are coming up for August, because it's going to be a great resource for you to get in front of people, get your questions answered, and have a good time too, because we know that our friends at Shell's like a good party.
Yes, we do.
Well, Angela, thank you so much as always for having us and for what you do for the community, whether it's keeping the little ones educated, safe, and also giving back to the community with supplies drives and things like that. And of course, we've got more Coast Life coming your way, more ways to celebrate the community when we get back.